What's the meaning of broadside? Broadside. Broadside.
Broadside. Broadside. The word broadside has multiple meanings, but one of its most common definitions is to describe a sudden and forceful verbal attack or criticism aimed at someone or something. When someone hits another person with a broadside, they are typically delivering their criticism in a harsh and direct manner with no sugarcoating. The result of a broadside can be hurt feelings, damaged relationships, or a change in perspective for the person receiving the criticism. It is important to remember that although a broadside can be effective in communicating one's point of view, it can also cause harm and should be used with caution.